connectivity. This is Amit Kumar and I welcome to Power BI tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create conditional formatting in Power BI report. In conditional formatting, you can create more intuitive report by giving different color to the different condition or different attributes of the dimensions. Okay, so this would be more effective while taking the decisions. So let's see. Alright, so now moving forward to show you something different which is called as a threshold analysis based on the colors. Okay, colors based on threshold analysis. Here I do have this quantity. Click on this down arrow. Here we have one option is called as a conditional formatting. So this is one more use case, or this is one more uh, you know topic we can say, how to create conditional formatting in Power BI. So this is how I'm going to show in the table. I'm going to show the conditional formatting in the Power BI. What is conditional formatting? Means the data which is in different format, like less than 10, above 10 to less than 50, above 50 to less than 100, then above 100. These section of the data are different. I just want to show which one is bigger and which one is smaller. In that case, the coloring will help us. Simply showing the data in this way is not going to be more intuitive. So click on this down arrow. There's an option called as a conditional formatting. So you can change the background color, change the font color, change the data bar. So I will show everything. Let's start with this background color. I will just change this background color. Here I can also define the conditional colors. Color scale value only based on the quantity. The sum of the quantity, if the sum of the quantity is if sum of the quantity uh, is lowest value, you say custom. Lowest value is this is custom. You have to define if it is 1 and 10. In that case, this data would be red. Excuse me. I want to show, suppose highest value is green, scale of green, and lowest is red. So from red to this color it will be moving, and the data will be showing in a different threshold. You see, this data started showing in a different threshold. Whenever I'm about to see this quantity is mm, more than 300, so they are slowly becoming green because the data is substantially high and these data are substantially low, so that's why these are red. So order size, I can make it conditional formatting as well, small order, large order and all. So here in this you know scale, I've just given the complete threshold which is showing slowly changing of the color, but I can also take a rule. Instead of a single value, I can also take a different rules. So first rule is, suppose in order detail the quantity is, sum of the quantity is is greater than 0, not percentage number. If it is greater than 0 and less than 10, then the value will be red. New rule, I can also have multiple rules. If it is uh, greater than 10 and less than equal to 50, not percentage, should be number, I can say define this as a yellow color. Next rule, I can define, say if it is greater than 50, not percent number, less than equal to 100, then it can be something different, like it could be orange. Okay, I can just make this one is orange and this is yellow. And then finally, which is more than that, which is greater than 100 and less than equal to say 500, whatever the value is number, it should be green. Okay, so our data is categorized into four different colors as per our that value. So I'll just take up this. So now we are mostly getting four different colors, not the continuous colors. These are the discrete colors we are getting here. Four different colors. So any product which is, this is the orange color, this is red color, this is yellow and green. So any product which is whose quantity is greater than 150 is green color, 100 is green color, less than 10 is a red color, above 10 and below 50 is a orange color. Okay, and 50 to 90 is a yellow color. So there are four different thresholds we have got here. So this is what we call as a conditional coloring in Power BI. Conditional coloring. We got this. So it looks very nice and also intuitive with the different colors. It's very easy to understand also. This is what we call as a conditional coloring. And before that, we have created this, calculated field, which is a conditional uh, column with multiple values. Now, but here in the quantity, with the quantity, we have just segregated those quantity into four different categories. Okay, so here this can be also applied to this order size as well. Conditional formatting, same thing which is being applied in the order size can also be treated as this value only, and here I can apply the same thing. Quantity, and the same thing will be treated as this, like greater than equal to uh, greater than 0, less than 10 will be the red one. Quickly creating one more, greater than equal to 10, greater than 10, and equal to less than equal to 50. This should be orange. Greater than 50 and less than equal to 100 is yellow. And the fourth category, greater than 100, less than equal to 500. Because I know there is no data which is above 500, so I can make it green. So our for this order type, order size is also being treated as a, your orders. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe my channel so that you would not miss any upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Bye bye.